Koenigsegg has earned a reputation for crafting outrageous cars. The Agera R was first showcased at the 2011 Geneva Motor Show. At the heart of the Agera R is the 5-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, the world's lightest and most compact hypercar engine, weighing 197 kg. This allows it to produce 900 HP when running on 95 octane fuel. But when using E85 fuel, the car can generate 1100 HP. It had a 0-62 mph time of 2.8 seconds and could attain a top speed of 273 mph. During test sessions in Engelholm, it broke 6 land speed world records for any production car, including a 0-186 mph time of 14.53 seconds. The car had a limited production run of only 18 units, meaning that prices for this hypercar have rose into the 7 figures.